When Salesforce CEO Marc Benioff started his company in 1999, there were three other company founders, Parker Harris, Dave Mollenhoff, and Frank Dominguez, and an idea in a one-bedroom apartment in San Francisco. Now the company has transformed into a Fortune 500 company with 50,000 employees guided by four core values: trust, customer success, innovation, and equality. The company has been recognized as the most innovative company by Forbes, a best place to work by Fortune, and the 10th most admired company in the world by Fortune. And talking about the largest deal ever, Salesforce has proved time and again that nothing is impossible with its recent acquisitions of Slack for over $27 billion. Behind the company's success, there are some of the brightest minds and most experienced executives who drive Salesforce into what it is today and who will call the shots tomorrow. In this video, we will talk about the key executives currently leading Salesforce's behind the scenes and assisting CEOs Marc Benioff and Keith Block tackle Salesforce's next stage of growth. Bret Taylor, President and Chief Operating Officer. Taylor reports directly to Benioff. In 2017, Taylor was promoted as the President and Chief Product Officer of Salesforce. Bret is now responsible for global product vision, engineering, marketing, communications, and security. Before Quip, Taylor was Facebook's Chief Technical Officer and assisted the company with an initial public offering in 2012. Prior to Facebook, Bret worked at Google, where he helped find Google Maps. Parker Harris, Chief Technical Officer and co-founder. Parker Harris helped Benioff build the company from the ground and oversees all Salesforce development from design to development to service delivery for Salesforce.com. Harris developed Salesforce's multi-tenant cloud architecture, lead transformative company technology initiatives, and plays a crucial role in establishing Salesforce as the best place to work. Tony Profit, Chief Equality Officer. Tony Profit supports a global recruitment program in promoting an inclusive and diverse workplace. He also leads the Salesforce working group on racial equality and justice to support systematic change in the workplaces and communities. Prior to joining Salesforce in 2016, Tony worked in a series of senior marketing roles at Microsoft, where he founded Blacklight, an organization focused on empowering Black employees at Microsoft. Amy Weaver, President of Legal and General Counsel. Amy Weaver, President, is the Legal and General Counsel at Salesforce who handles everything legal for Salesforce, from internal auditing to global external issues and corporate security. Weaver is an experienced public company leader with significant technology industry experience and a deep understanding of the Salesforce business and culture. Mark Hawkins, Chief Financial Officer. Mark Hawkins is responsible for managing the company's global financial organization and is a member of the executive committee, reporting directly to Chairman and CEO Marc Benioff. He is the one on whom Benioff is counting upon to realize his dream of doubling the organization's revenue to $35 billion over the next 5 years. Richard Socher, Chief Scientist at Salesforce. Richard is known as the mastermind behind Einstein, Salesforce's artificial intelligence system. Richard moved to Salesforce in 2016 when the CRM giant acquired MetaMind, the AI company. Before Salesforce, Richard was the CEO and founder of MetaMind, a startup acquired by Salesforce in April 2016. At Salesforce, he leads the company's research efforts and implements cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions into Salesforce. Ebony Back, Chief Philanthropy Officer and CEO of Salesforce Foundation. Ebony has worked at Salesforce for more than a decade, from the CIO office's technology business to philanthropic engagements in 2014. Ebony's role is directing programs and strategic grants that emphasize education and workforce development. Salesforce is currently at the forefront, contributing 16% to the global market share of CRM and number one CRM software for the 7th consecutive year. These key players in Salesforce are business growth leaders who drive the cloud giant to meet its aggressive growth goals despite the booming economy. If you want to stay on top of the Salesforce CRM platform and learn how to make the most out of it, subscribe to our YouTube channel now and get the latest news updates on CRM, Salesforce, Google Cloud, cloud computing, and more.